Well, now to our continuing coverage of the Dana Ireland murder case. A Big Island judge did not release requested evidence to the Hawaii Innocence Project team today. That evidence was in hopes of clearing the names of the Schweitzer brothers, who were once convicted of Ireland's death. Our Diana Ko reports on today's fiery court proceedings.
The parties gathered in a Hilo courthouse on Wednesday to argue about access to information. Hawaii County Police filed a motion Tuesday afternoon saying they don't want the evidence in the Albert Loro investigation to be released yet.
Witness interviews have not been completed. The data from the cell phone has not yet been returned. Autopsy reports are not available yet.
Innocent Project lawyers countered with an opposition just before midnight Tuesday.
We have the chief of police going on television, holding press conferences, disclosing information that their investigation has found. Yet, at this point in time, they don't want us, the parties involved, to know that information.
And the judge didn't officially make a judgment, but he did sound pretty frustrated with police.
What further investigation does the police conduct with a guy who's now deceased? You can get all the information and all the evidence, but what are you going to do with that? Are you going to prosecute this dead guy?
Kubota said he's letting the Supreme Court decide, but he continued a long commentary aimed at County Council.
The police department has not had a clue for 33 years. They were handed with Albert Loro's name on a silver platter in, I believe, March 1, 2024 for investigation. What is that going to do? The investigation regarding Albert Loro is done. Or it's not going to go anywhere. It can go on as long as you want to delay this. But the problem I have here is these guys were convicted 23 years ago, and they're seeking a determination of actual innocence. And in my view, justice delayed at your behest is justice denied.
An Innocence Project lawyer piled on, asking for even the limited evidence the judge has and accusing police of botching the Loro investigation, saying they warned cops to keep Loro in custody after testing his DNA.
They did not seek an arrest warrant and bring him into custody. There was the danger he would flee, destroy evidence, or kill himself.
The Schweitzers were exonerated in 2023 but have not officially been declared innocent. There were some other hearings regarding the Schweitzers' bid for official innocence, but the judge canceled those until he hears from the Supreme Court on the release of evidence. Diana Ko, Island News.